Hi everybody, I'm Lee Adler and this is the January 26, 2022 edition of the Stool Pigeons Wire at capitalstool.com. Today's headline, Markets in Turd Oil. We are not in Kangas anymore. Paul was a serious anchor man, by the way, unlike the clowns at CNBC. In today's news, I got suspended from Twitter again. There was a tweet about Sarah Palin. Sarah is suing the New York Times for defamation. There's an oxymoron. And someone tweeted about her getting COVID. And I said, wow, wouldn't it be cool if she dropped dead from COVID? That got me banned from Twitter for a week for using abusive languages for wishing the death of another person. Now, I wasn't wishing Sarah's death. I just thought it would be funny and ironic if she did drop dead of COVID, since she is an anti-vaxxer. You know, we all got to die, and we all got to die of something. So I just thought I was making a humorous observation, but Twitter has no sense of humor. On to other things. Today in the market, we have the ES futures attempting to come out of another bottoming pattern on the hourly bars. The number it must beat is 44.20. It exceeded that by a point in the hour before I recorded this, but then it stalled. Normally, a minor break presages a later breakout, but that was a bull market rule, and this ain't one of those anymore. The 5-day cycle projection is only 44.25, but that also implies a breakout, which would push that projection upward. If it does break out, we'd be looking at a measured move target of 44.75 or so. If it does not break out, the numbers to watch on the downside would be 43.65 and 43.50. Breaking those would start the fireworks to the downside. I have a chart of that posted on today's thread at capitalstool.com, so you can see that chart there. Please visit us and join the conversation. You can register on the site. I'll approve it in a few minutes, and you can start posting. Meanwhile, over in Crypto World, the Buttcoin long squeeze out cavalcade should be exhausted for now. I've got a chart of that on the thread. They hit the 3-month cycle projection of 33,500 and slightly broke an apparent support level at the round number 35,000. Then they came roaring back. The thing is, however, if they don't clear 39,000, they got nothing. The trend would still be extremely weak. The measured move target of the recent top breakdown is 14,000. The 6-month cycle projection has been pulled up a bit, but it still points to 27,500. That implies that the top to end all tops will be completed. Once that happens, the measured move target would be negative 5,000. I have no further comment. On to the 10-year Treasury. The yield is still winding up to resume its inevitable trek higher. And I've got a chart of that, daily chart. If you want to know more about where that's headed, visit me at liquiditytrader.com, and you'll see the latest updates there, a summary on the website, and you can subscribe to the proprietary reports there also. 90-day risk-free trial. The monthly chart of gold, Horning, the golden boy, starting to look very interesting. I've got a chart of that on capitalstool.com, today's thread, and I'll be posting an update of that at Liquidity Trader, the Gold Trader letter weekly, a little bit later. Finally, my income in U.S. dudas here in Warsaw, Poland, and starting next week in Nice, France, is starting to look pretty good for buying more gyros. Here's a question. Can the price of gold rise in dudas while the duda is rising against its major competitor for reserve currency status, the gyro? Stay tuned. That's it for today. I hope you'll join me again at capitalstool.com, the Stool Pigeons Wire, and at liquiditytrader.com. Also I post the transcript of this at wallstreetexaminer.com on a daily basis. We'll see you tomorrow.